We've been working through a couple of the applique stitch styles that you can find on the Bernina 480. The satin stitch, it's not just a zigzag. There's actually a satin stitch in the quilt menu, stitch 1315. Then we did the blanket stitch applique, which is 1309 and 1310. But there is a stitch that I love to call my favorite applique stitch, and it is a stretch stitch that I'm going to manipulate. So I really do call it Sarah's favorite stitch because it has so many potential and it looks fun, but it does not look like anything on your screen. So here's where I want you to go. Go back to your original utility stitches in the main menu, select stitch 18. Stitch 18 looks like a little tiny, like I don't even know if I'm a stitch zigzag, and it's got some small stitches and some large stitches. So what I want you to do is I actually want you to be able to see the stitches. Then we're going to reduce the length, and all of a sudden we have a fun stitch that we'll use the kind of the left side of the stitch to encase the raw edge of the fabric, and then we'll utilize those actually extra stitches off to the side. And again, you can make those bigger too and have a little pop coming out. You'll need to know with a little experimenting where to guide this so that it actually covers up the raw edge and it doesn't peek out at the wrong part on this stitch. But let me just show a little bit. It is kind of fun. I found this stitch when I was experimenting with some of our decorative stitches and trying out new things. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So there is infinite amount of uses for all these stitches, and I hope you'll take a look at our Stitching Cosmos online course where we take these stitches, turn them inside out, and discover new ways for all these traditional stitches, including stretch stitches.